This is a demonstration using the XZ arc on how the rotary axis affects the X and Y feed rate and the Z. The XY feed rate on this particular move is 200 inches per minute, the Z is 150 inches per minute, and the rotary axis is 35,000 degrees per minute. That's unrealistic feed rates for the rotary axis because that would be like 900 inches per minute doing a 3 1/4 inch piece. But just for the sake of showing how it works, I've left it at that. I would normally slow that down to 3, 4, 5,000 degrees per minute. But on this first one, we're going to simulate cutting a ball in a 3 1/4 inch piece, and we're going to pretend like we're at 1 inch down. We're going to cut a ring around it first, then we will raise up slowly, arcing like this, and come back down on this side. We'll get to this end and we'll do a complete circle around and back. Then we'll raise, then we'll unwind the rotary axis and stop. So here's the first one. This one actually does 14 turns of the rotary while it's doing this 3-inch cut across that ball. So here goes. Goes down, it's doing the circle around. Now it's going to start arcing up. Goes over and arcs back down to finish the cut. Now it revolves around one more time and back to there. It raises, rotates back to 0. That was like 5,040 degrees. So the next one will be half of that distance. In other words, I'm only going to do 7 rotations on the A axis, and you'll notice that the X, Y, well, the XZ feed rates are much faster. That shows you how much the A axis is controlling the speeds, the feed rates of the X and Z, because they all have to reach their destinations at the same time. And here is 7 rotations. You can see that that's much faster. Okay, so now I'm going to do another one, and this one is only going to do 1 full rotation of the A axis after it starts. It'll do 1 rotation as it goes around and comes down here. And you'll notice that the Y and Z run rather quickly. They're probably close to their actual feed rates. And here this one goes. Still cutting the ring. And it's finished. That took 12 seconds.